One of the hard parts about being a dividend focused YouTuber is trying to appeal to the many different kinds of dividend investors out there.
So many different kinds.
Well, in my attempt to do just that, welcome back to the Power 5 Stocks of the Week. In this series, each week I present you with the top performers in the following categories: dividend yield, dividend streak, dividend growth rates, 10-year returns, and the stock trading the highest percentage off of their 52-week high. All of these stocks are going to have an ex-dividend date of next week, and the only requirements for consideration to be on this list is that you have to beat the market over the past 10 years and have a dividend streak of at least 5 years. This is a fresh take on a top 5 series that you're not going to find on any other channel here on YouTube, so make sure you guys subscribe for more and tune in each week.
This is gonna be good.
But now, let's dive into this week's list. The stock this week with the highest dividend yield is also trading the furthest off of their 52-week high, and that stock is Constellation Brands, stock ticker STZ. STZ is a quarterly payer in the consumer staples sector, paying $3.56 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 1.57%. Constellation Brands has been paying and growing their dividend over the last 8 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 2.18%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 9%, and a payout ratio of 30.08%. At the time of recording, STZ was trading 13.35% off of their 52-week high. STZ has an ex-dividend date of May 3rd with a payout date of May 18th, and a single $10,000 investment into STZ 10 years ago while only reinvesting dividends since then would have turned into $52,539.91, which is an 18.04% year-over-year return. And here we always compare to the S&P 500, because if you're not going to beat the market, you might as well just invest in the market. The S&P 500 in the same time frame turned into $31,797.13, which means you would have been $20,742.78 better off investing into STZ over the past decade. This week's stock with the longest dividend streak also offers the best bang for your buck. That stock is Costco, stock ticker COST. Costco is a quarterly payer in the consumer discretionary sector, paying $4.08 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 0.81%. Costco's been paying and growing their dividend over the last 19 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 11.46%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 12.48%, and a payout ratio of 26.1%. Costco has an ex-dividend date of May 4th with a payout date of May 19th. And again, $10,000 into Costco 10 years ago, only reinvesting dividends since then. Costco turned into $58,525.16, which is a 19.32% year-over-year return rate. Once again, with the S&P coming back at $31,797.13, which means Costco was $26,728.03 better over the past 10 years. So we're already more than halfway through this week's video. If you haven't clicked the like button yet, please do so, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, as all of those are free and it helps me get my content to other dividend investors. Lastly, let me know down in the comments if you own any of these stocks, or if you have a stock that's coming ex-dividend soon that you want me to know about. But now, let's see which stock this week has the best dividend growth rates.
Now you're talking.
The final stock on the list does have the best dividend growth rates amongst all the stocks on this week's list. This week's stock with those great dividend growth rates is D.R. Horton, stock ticker DHI. DHI is a quarterly payer in the consumer discretionary sector, paying $1 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 0.94%. D.R. Horton's been paying and growing their dividend over the last 10 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 13.49%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 16.12%, and a payout ratio of just 6.41%. DHI has an ex-dividend date of May 2nd and a payout date of May 10th. And that $10,000 investment into DHI 10 years ago while only reinvesting dividends since then turned into $52,852.40, which is an 18.11% year-over-year return rate, versus again that S&P turning into $31,797.13, which results in a difference of $21,055.27 on the side of D.R. Horton. As mentioned in the video, each of these stocks has beaten the market over the past 10 years. All of these stocks have a dividend streak of 8 years or more, and all of them go ex-dividend next week if you choose to make the purchase. Let me know in the comments if any of these stocks piqued your interest and what it was about that stock that got you excited. And if you missed it, I just made a video talking about why I believe stock price doesn't matter. Check that out right here. But until next time, see you.